Hello guys, this is Glenn again from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you on how you can enable dark mode or dark theme on your Android 10 device. So if you already updated your Android smartphone to Android 10 operating system, you can easily activate dark theme through the settings. So this one is a Google Pixel 2 XL with Android 10 update. So as you can see, this is not the dark theme that we're up to. This is the default light theme. So if you want to activate it, just go to settings, display. So you can see here you have the dark theme. If you toggle it on, you immediately see that your screen has a gray and a black theme to it. So some say that this saves your eyes from too much screen glare when using your smartphone in dark environments, or some say that it saves battery life over time because it's not using a lot of bright pixels. So I tend to use the dark theme. I tend to favor it because of the lesser glare that you get when you use your smartphone, and it's also pretty classy with the black bezels of your smartphone, so it looks very natural to the eyes. So in terms of design, it's subjective. If you like it, you can activate it. If you don't, you can leave the default, or you can apply a different theme to your Android device, since Android is really customizable. And so yeah, if you like this video, more tips and tricks till next time. If you like this video, you can subscribe, and if you want your smartphone fixed, just contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. And till next time guys, cheers.